So how do you shortcut a screenshot on the iPhone? Let me show you exactly how it works. And if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get it started. So you probably know that you need to press the side button, which is the power button, as well as the volume up, and at the same time to perform a screenshot. So if I want to capture the screen like this, I have to press it at the same time, and I have this little screenshot there, which I can decide to save or just delete or, make it go away. But you can make it more accessible, meaning that you set up some sort of shortcuts for quicker screenshot access. One of the commonly used one is the assistive touch. So if you go to settings, accessibility, and touch right there, you can click on assistive touch and enable it. And this basically makes this little floating dot appear, and by default you can click it and more features are going to be accessed in here. So for example, you can access the control center with a click of a button and so on. But you can customize the actions here. When you click on the single tap action, I'm going to choose it from the open menu, which is the current action, and I'm going to select the screenshot right there. And essentially what it means is that no matter what I do on my phone, I have this floating dot on my phone all the time. And whenever I'm doing something, for example, I might be in an app, and if I want to capture a screenshot, I have the floating button, which as long as I tap on it once, it will capture the screen, right? So I'm using the calculator, for example, tap the dot, and now the screenshot is captured, right? I might be inside of a different app, whatever. You can see I can get inside and such, click the dot and the screenshot is captured. So, it's very convenient, very fun to use, and you can always go back to the settings and go to the accessibility and disable it whenever you don't need to do it anymore. So this is one of the best shortcuts for screenshots. So let me know what you think about it below in the comments. I'm going to wrap it up right now as a video, and I will hopefully see you later in the future uploads.